Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial for paper flower template number 3. Material needed to make the flowers are glue gun, glue stick, pencil, butter knife, scissors. Once you get your package, trace and cut out one of each side petals. After you trace and cut out, we need to shape the petals. After you shape the petals, you need to glue the petal together. Start with the biggest one and add some glue to the second one and put it down in the center. Then go on to the next petal. Do the best you can. Try to center the flower with the leaf. You see how the leaves are kind of sticking out between the petals? And now you have a beautiful flower.